na design, walang ano, tubig no. Kita nyo. So sa kabila, unitap na to guys. Kita nyo. Mani ang bilog sang plaza, Bacolod Plaza. Ano pinakita ko sa inyo no? Mani ang Bacolod Plaza subong nakita nyo. $5K tayo guys, walking in the street of Plaza. Ayan, kita nyo no, mga tanong mo, kadagko sa mga tanong mo, kita nyo. Tour ko kamo sa bilog nga plaza no. Sino pa kanami guys ang yang ano subongon nga kulo no, makita niyo. Mani ang plaza no, plaza sang Bacolod. Makita niyo no. Bilog sang city sang Bacolod, kung makita nyo na nandito tayo ngayon walking in the street of Bacolod City. So I share with you guys the whole plaza of Bacolod. Very beautiful place here in Bacolod City. The people so kind. Makita nyo no, ka-relax na sila doon, nakatambay. Kamo yung mga tao, makikita nyo. So beautiful place pag nandito kayo sa Bacolod City, the city of smile. Kung mga tao nakikita nyo nakasmile lagi no? Tingnan mo, lagi ako nakasmile kasi I'm proud for being here in Bacolod City. I came from city of smile, kung makikita nyo, kaya lagi ako nakangiti no? So we are here in Bacolod City Public Plaza, makita nyo. Ito yung pinaka ano dito no, sa plaza sang Bacolod. Makita nyo, pinaka sikat na landmark no. Ito makita nyo, meron namang tower no? Tapos ang kabila niyan, yun ang cathedral no, makita nyo. Cathedral yan siya guys. Kinta pa si Manaw ko yun. Ito pala oh, pinaka-landmark mo. Memorandum to the unknown soldier, dedicated to a soldier whose name is not known. Call it this love once in a lonely home, who fought our battles nobly to the end that we may stay our home. Then he fought for the flag, for God, for you and me, that we may live forever free. Ito yung pinaka ano niya, pinaka monument niya no, for the unknown soldier. So that's why we are here, free, live in Bacolod, diba? So dito na lang tayo magtatapos no. So I will end up here my vlog here in Bacolod City. As you can see, so beautiful place. Please subscribe in this channel, and for more vlogs here in Bacolod City, please subscribe and click the notification bell button below, so that's why you will notify for all my vlogs here in Bacolod City. So this is the public plaza, and this is the cathedral. So thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlog.